Today I'll be showing you how to make Tumblr applications navigation animation by using Proto.io tool. The first thing that we have is this homepage screenshot on this page in here. You can see your screens from Screens panel. Right now I have home and navigation prepared. You can move this around, so for my purposes I need to center this right here. From here, what we're going to do in navigation system of Tumblr, we're asking users to click on right here. So we're going to put an interaction area right at the bottom. We're going to select add interactions, and we are saying that if the user taps on this area, we need to trigger an action. Our action will be, in this case, going to a new screen. We select go to screen, and from here we select navigation. In terms of transitions, we don't need anything, and we say save action. So let's go into this container that I've already created. In this container, you'll be able to see that there's first state of the container, which all the items are below, then are in the frame, but in the second, you see that they are all inside the frame. So what we're trying to do in here from home page, when the user clicks on this icon, we'll take them into the navigation, and then afterwards we need to move from an empty screen to the animation loaded screen, which means that's state 2. So let's say after we go to the new page, now we're going to ask our prototype to go to stage 2 immediately by playing the animation. So let's do that now. We go into this interaction panel again, and then we add a new interaction by clicking on callback, and callback plays after the first interaction is completed. We're going to change container state. That's what we want to do, and our container is on navigation screen. Container name is navigation, and we want to go to state number 2. Let's save this interaction. Okay, so let's go into navigation, and here what we have is an overlay right here and a home page. And this overlay is the container, my navigation container. If I double click this, it takes me into here. I can select this animation to play reverse or redo it every time that I change my states. What I want to do now, I want to go into state number 1 to number 2 and play the animation, and I want to replay back when I go back from 2 to 1. So let's go to 2, and we're loading our animation. So the way that Tumblr animations load up, first of all, the icons, they get loaded, and it goes, let's say, around a second, and let's say we do ease back, and you can select your ease from this panel. You can scroll down, you can have nice elastic spring panels, you can have nice standard ease in and out animations. You can select the delay time and duration also from here as well. What I want to do now, I'm going to go ahead and open up all these A to B points for my animation. So from left it is the starting point, and the right point will be the ending point. So let's do this. From here, so first what we do is we play the animation, and then what we want to do is after the animation for the icons are done, you want to start showing the text that says video, chat, code, etc. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this up a little bit, but the starting point will not be exactly 0. So let's say we're starting from 0.95 and we end at, let's say, in 10 seconds. And our ease this time will be ease in quad. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing for other texts. Here we go, a couple more. One good thing that I already prepared before this video was actually I cut out all my icons and create all my texts so I can move them individually without dealing with any sort of fixing later on. So here we are. Let's try if this is going to work. I saved it and I'm in Proto.io prototyping window. Here I can see that I can click this area. I click on it, takes me to here. Whoop, everything load up and I cannot close it. Okay, so let's go back and then let's create another part of this interaction. Nevermind actually works as a close for navigation on Tumblr application. So when I click on Nevermind, it shows me in here. It's selected. As you see, the color is different. And what it does for me is let's open this up, and this also loads slowly. But also another thing that we want to add is if the user taps on this icon, we want to take the user to the previous animation, to the state number 1. And then with a callback, we want to take our user back to screen homepage. Okay, let's try this out too. Here we are. Our animation is just loaded and you see Nevermind came afterwards. Click on it and everything is gone. Here we are and it's gone. You can easily change this animation, your ease in and out by clicking on this panel again, and then you can select if you want to do something more elasticy, you can go in and select ease in elastic or out elastic and play with these to find a perfect animation for your own prototype. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.